In today's video, I will teach you how to make an old parchment paper using GIMP. Let's get started. Start by opening GIMP and creating a new image with the dimensions of 400 by 500 pixels. Then set the background color to black. Now add a new transparent layer by going to Layer, then New from Visible. Then fill this layer with this color using the Bucket Fill tool. Then navigate to the Filters, Noise, then RGB Noise. Then set the parameters as follows. Check the independent RGB channels, and set the red value to 0.2, green to 0, blue to 0, and alpha to 0. Then click OK. Now navigate to Filters, Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Then set the blur radius to 10 pixels. This will soften the noise effect while retaining some texture. Now go to Windows, Dockable Dialogues, then Channels. Create a new channel named Crinkle. Then set the opacity to 100%. Then make sure that the crinkle channel is active before navigating to Filters, Render, Noise, then Plastic Noise. Then enable the Random option and use the following values: X to 2.3, Y to 3.3, then Details to 15. Then click OK to render. Now go back to the Channels tab and click the eye icon right next to the crinkle channel to make it invisible. Now switch to the Layers tab and select the brown layer. Go to Filters, Light and Shadow, then Lighting Effects. Then make these adjustments. Then click OK to apply. Now go to Filters, Enhance, then Sharpen. Then set the sharpness level to 60. This will bring out the details in the texture. Now use the Free Select tool to draw a jagged selection around the edges of the parchment. Now go to Select, then Invert, and press the Delete key to remove the outer area, giving the parchment a torn edge look. Then deselect by pressing Shift-Ctrl-A or simply going to Select, then None. Now use the Free Select tool again to draw smaller cuts or tears within the parchment. Then press the Delete key to remove the selected area, adding to the worn effect. Now, to darken the border, right-click the parchment layer and choose Alpha to Selection. Then add a new empty layer. Then invert the selection by going to Select, then Invert. Fill the inverted selection with this color. Then deselect by pressing Shift-Ctrl-A. Now apply a Gaussian blur by going to Filters, Blur, then Gaussian Blur, and set the radius to 75 pixels. Now, right-click the parchment layer again and choose Alpha to Selection. Then activate the blurred layer and invert the selection by pressing Ctrl-I. Then press the Delete key to remove excess parts, leaving a subtle dark edge. Adjust the brightness and contrast by going to Colors, then Brightness and Contrast. Then reapply the depth effect for more crinkles if desired using the previous lighting effect method. Now add text, photos, or drawings to your parchment. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.